Today, we'll walk you through the simple process of loading a grease cartridge into a pistol grip grease gun. Before we begin, familiarize yourself with the key components of the grease gun: the head, air valve, barrel, plunger rod, and lock tab. Ensure you securely attach the hose, then remove the handle ring before you begin. Unscrew the head of the grease gun counterclockwise to open it up. Take your grease cartridge and remove the plastic cap from one end. Apply a liberal coating of grease to the plunger when using a gun for the first time. Draw the handle back fully so that the plunger rod catches and locks into place. Insert the open end into the barrel, ensuring that the closed end faces outward. Remove the top cap of the grease from the cartridge. Apply grease to the inside of the head, which will help reduce trapped air. Use enough to cover both ports. Screw the head of the grease gun back on clockwise until it's tight. Loosen by a half turn to release air. Release the plunger rod from its locked position and push in. Press the bleeder valve and tighten it completely. Pump the handle a few times to prime the grease gun. This helps to remove any air gaps and prepares the gun for use. Loading a grease cartridge into a pistol grip grease gun is a simple but crucial task. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.